This is going to show you just the basics of using slope charts. The first most obvious thing is how to get a chart. Just go up to symbol in the upper left, type it in and press enter. And voila, there's your chart. You can also click the go button as an alternate. Down at the bottom is the date axis, and up and down the vertical is the prices. You can also expand the chart to fill the whole screen. I usually use it fully in expanded mode with that button. You can also click on preferences, the gear icon in the upper right. There's a separate video showing you in more detail what each of these preferences does. There's a couple of different tabs within this dialog box: General, which is where we're showing now, and Shortcuts, which is keyboard shortcuts that also has its own video. By clicking the close button, it'll ignore those changes. The menu can be accessed a couple of different ways. You can click the menu button, or you can right-click anywhere on the chart. And as you go through this, it'll show the sub-menus with all the different choices you have. Some of these alter the icons which present themselves in the bar, and others allow you directly to change certain properties of the program. Here, for example, is the Drawn Objects toolbox, and as you mouse over each of these icons, it gives you a tooltip saying what each of these is. The Studies button brings up the Technical Studies dialog box, and that allows you access to any of the studies available. You can mix and match these any way you like, and you can even save them as a study set. But the parameters available, as well as the colors for each one, are shown. And once you have a study, you can change the height by dragging the dividing horizontal, or you can hold down the Control button on your keyboard and drag the panes up and down to rearrange where the price, volume, and studies go. You can also click Clear All to remove all of those and get back to just a simple chart. And finally, on the left side of the watch lists, there's a separate video for that as well.